Your phone used to be fast, smooth like butter. But now, it freezes every second, apps crash, and you can't even type without delay. Sound familiar? Don't worry, this isn't the end of your phone's life. Today I'll show you exactly how to fix a slow smartphone step by step, and when it might just be time to visit Bemi Gadgets for a professional cleanup. Almost everyone in Nigeria has dealt with this. You buy a phone for 300,000 Nigerian nairas or 500,000 Nigerian nairas, and after a year, it begins to crawl. But here's the truth. Most times, the problem isn't the phone itself, it's the way we use it. From full storage to background apps and poor maintenance, these little things slowly kill your phone's performance. Let's start with something simple. Over time, your phone gathers a lot of junk, cached data, app leftovers, hidden files. These build up and choke your system. On Android, go to Settings, Storage, Cache Data, Clear All. On iPhone, open Settings, Safari, Clear History, and Website Data. If you use TikTok, WhatsApp, or Instagram a lot, go inside each app and clear cache manually. Those three alone can hold over 1 gigabyte of junk. You'll notice an instant difference. When your phone storage is almost full, it slows down drastically. Try to keep at least 15% free space. Delete duplicate pictures, old videos, voice notes, and unnecessary screenshots. You can also move big files to Google Drive or an external memory card. Remember, the more space your phone has to breathe, the faster it runs. Here's a silent killer: background apps. Many of us keep WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, and Chrome open all day. Even when you're not using them, they're running, draining RAM and data. On Android, open Settings, Battery, Background Usage Limits, and restrict heavy apps. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and turn it off for apps you rarely use. After this, your phone will instantly feel lighter. System updates are not just decorations. They fix bugs, close security holes, and improve performance. Go to Settings, System Update, or Software Update, and make sure you're on the latest version. If your phone is too old to update, some apps may lag no matter what you do, but even then, a factory reset or cleanup can give it new life. If your phone heats up constantly or battery drains fast, you might have malware or a bad app. Install a trusted antivirus like Avast Mobile Security or Bitdefender. Scan your phone once a week. Also, avoid using your phone while charging for long hours. Heat kills speed and battery life. If your phone still struggles after all this, the problem could be deeper. Maybe your storage chip or battery is weak. That's where we come in. At Bemi Gadgets, we specialize in cleaning, restoring, and optimizing smartphones to perform like new again. Whether you're in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria, we'll run a full diagnostic, clear bloatware, update your system, and replace any worn-out parts safely. So, before you dump that slow phone, bring it to Bemi Gadgets. Let's make your smartphone fast again.